Hello students, here we will discuss about mole concept. It is level 1 question. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Here very important question because it came in medical exam entrance 2011. Which has the maximum number of molecules among the following? You should remember that 1 mole of any gas or any substance having 6.02 into 10 to power 23 molecules. If we term 1 mole of any gas in terms of molecules, or 1 mole of atom, if 1 mole of molecule we'll discuss, then I will tell you molecules. If 1 mole of atom, I'll tell 1 mole of atom means 6.02 into 10 to power 23 atoms. For example, 1 mole of car means this much, 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 at number of cars. So it's so much that entire earth will take the space for it. So 1 mole of atom is equal to 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. This is called Avogadro number. What is it called? Avogadro number. I will discuss it later on also. So here they have given which has the maximum number of molecules among the following. So first of all, we have to find out molar mass of SO2, CO2, ozone and hydrogen, and then we have to equate molar mass of SO2, S plus 2 mole of oxygen, 32 plus 16 times 2 is equal to 32, that is equal to 64 mole. So the given is 1 mole, so it is having 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules of gas. Okay, now CO2, 12 gram of carbon plus 16 into 2, here they go. 16 into 2 times 16, so it is 44 gram per mole. This is molar mass of carbon dioxide. So this is also 1 mole. 1 mole is equivalent to 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. So this is having same molecule, this is having also same molecule. Now 48 gram of ozone, 3 moles of oxygen atom are there. So 3 times 16, atomic mass of oxygen 16. We have done this earlier. So 16 times 3 is 48 gram per mole. Oh my god, this is also 1 mole. So it is also having Avogadro number value. So that is 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. So these are equal. But here, wait, here hydrogen molar mass is 2 gram per mole, because 2 atoms are there, atomic mass is 1, 2 times 1, 2 gram per mole. 1 mole is contributed by 2 gram. So here they have given 8 gram. So 2 gram having 1 mole of hydrogen, so 8 gram will having 4 mole of hydrogen. So 4 times Avogadro number, 4 into 6.02 into 10 raised to power 23. Okay, so this will be having